ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच उत्सीदेयुरिमे लोका न कुर्यां कर्म चेदहं शङ्करस्य च कर्ता स्याम् उपकन्यामिमाः प्रचाः। 24th श्लोका, 3rd chapter. Here Bhagavan Krishna says, if we all do not perform karma, what will happen? Here Bhagavan talks 3 points. One is, if we none of us, if we all do not perform karma, the world will perish. How it will perish? I will be the creator of, I will be confused, I will be making all you confusion stage. Simple. If the karma is not happening, no, if everyone will not do karma, the whole world goes to confusion stage. Bhagavan himself will destroy all, because you got a birth, you have to do something. If you are not doing anything, that will lead to confusion stage, confused stage. So the confused stage is the first point to our own perishment. Here Bhagavan Krishna, what are the 2 points? What will happen if you do karma? First point, what will happen if you do karma with Karma Yoga principles? 3, either karma if you are doing it in a normal way, or either if you are not doing karma with Karma Yoga principle, what will happen? 2 points, the whole world will perish, all people will destroy. Nobody will be there. All people will be destroyed, the whole world, not only in this world. Trishu lokeshu, Bhagavan told, all lokam will perish, all human being will destroy. If you do not perform karma, if you do not perform karma, the world will become confused stage. Means it will become abnormal. Everyone has to do karma, either 2 points, either varna sangraha, the sankarasya points, varna sangraha, or guna based. If you are tamasic nature, if you are rajasic nature, if you are sattvic nature, as per your nature or as per your varna, if you do not perform karma, that will lead you to confused stage. That is the first point to perishment. First all people will die, then all Trishu lokeshu also will get perished. Here Bhagavan wants to very importantly, he wants to emphasize, you have to do karma. First point, at least you have to do karma initially as a karmi. For selfish nature, at least you can start with doing karma. Then you have to go to the next level. What is the next level? Do karma, do the same karma with Karma Yoga principles. become karma yogi. After that also you have to do karma. What you have to do karma? With jnana yoga principle. Then you will, what is the next? What is the next stage? You have to attain self-knowledge. Then you will get moksha. That is the main point. So you have to do karma. If you are not doing karma, you will perish. You will be destroyed. That's all Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey message on this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 25th sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.